Say ah. Ah, ah, ah. Jackson, can you do it? Say ah. Can you say ah, ah, ah? Eh, eh, eh. Say eh, eh, eh. Say Good job, Haiti. Say an apple. Good girl. You're a good reader.
She's a good reader, Mama.
She is.
She talked, Dad.
Say an umbrella.
Okay.
Bug.
I don't like bugs.
I don't like bugs.
I like bugs.
You do?
Daddy.
Sun.
Yeah. When the sun comes out, I can ride a scooter.
Yeah. Bus.
They can ride in a bus.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, and they drive.
Yeah. Bun.
Bun.
That's
I
like-
eat a bun.
Yeah, it's like a hamburger bun. Cool.
Yeah. An apple.
An apple.
I like apples.
Can you say ah?
Hey, Taylor has an apple.
Taylor had an apple?
Yeah. At his mama's house.
Yeah.